is Pugaramdan. I am studying in 5th E.
My name is Kalpesh. We are going to tell about hemodialysis.
About hemodialysis. Hemodialysis is a life-saving treatment for people with kidney failure. Helps to remove waste product from our blood when our kidneys are not able to.
You said it used for two different situations, such as a sudden episode of kidney failure, kidney damage, acute kidney injury, kidney failure, and stage kidney disease.
How it works? A hemodialysis machine works as an artificial kidney by helping to regulate our blood pressure, keeping safe level of minerals in our blood such as potassium, calcium, sodium and bicarbonate. Removes waste and extra fluid in our body, helping to regulate that.
Types A. It can performed in hospital or dialysis center or at home. It can perform 3 weeks, 3 to 4 hours to complete.
Side effect. Some of the most common side effects are report include muscle cramps, weakness, dizziness and nausea, blood loss. Thank you. Have a nice day.